everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cleaning my makeup brushes because they're covered with makeup and it's something I need to do. So yeah, let's get started. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. My Twitter and Instagram are down below. Woohoo! So here we have the makeup brushes I use most of the time. And then we have my more prettier ones down here. So we have these ones and these ones. And these ones. And yeah, and there's Corilla Kuma with a 1980s style bracelet on her. She looks fabulous. And let's get started. So many brushes. Wow. So I think for the Line Crime aquarium brushes, I'm going to wash those just the brush part, as I don't want to mess up this beautiful part. But as for the others, I'm just going to put them in a sink with some hand soap. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill the sink with some water. My drain is broken, so if you see me trying to close the drain or whatever, got some soap on the sink. Good job, Lauren. I'm using just some hand soap to soak them in. I'm just gonna throw them all in there. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. And then they'll get all nice and bubbly and clean. So yeah. Wash, wash, wash. Squirt, squirt, squirt. So now I'm going to be using this seaweed shampoo. It's it's the same shampoo I used in how to clean my My Little Ponies video, and I'm just using it to clean my brushes as well. Just scrub, 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 wash, 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 do 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 do, and then I'm rinsing them off and putting them to the side. Then after I rinse them all off, I'm gonna rinse them off one more time in cold water. Oh my gosh, my hair is in this clip. I'm so sorry, guys. But I'm just rinsing them off in some cold water and getting them all nice and clean and beautiful. And yeah. Wash, 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 wash. And I'm just gonna lay them out on this towel. And then they'll air dry. So the next day, once they were dry, I organized all the brushes about to where they belonged and stuff. Went ahead and organized them and put them in their cases, and it looked really nice. So yeah. And I also went ahead and put the makeup brushes back, the ones that I use almost all the time, back in their little container. And then I went ahead and put the brushes in their cases back in their spot. So yeah, now to the outro. Thanks for watching so much, guys. I love you so much. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. And until then, I love you guys. Bye.